Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Somebody welcome back, yeah?
Yes, today guys we're making seafood risotto. Oh my god,
Yeah.
I enjoyed this one.
Yeah, so unfortunately we couldn't find any mussels, we couldn't find any squid, so we only used white fish and we used prawns, but my girlfriend said it's the best meal
It was
Yeah.
lovely,
Best
delicious.
meal I cooked for her this year, so
I approve.
I'm just gonna brag a little bit about it. So I got this recipe from a friend, and like this was the first time making it.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, and it was fantastic.
Well, I feel like all the time when you're making something for the first time, you always nail it.
Yeah,
Unlike you are repeating.
You know why? When I repeat, I start adding more spices.
You think you're more experienced, and now you can.
Yeah, more spices, more meat, more this, and then it's just too much of everything.
Yeah, yeah.
So I'm changing my philosophy to less is more.
Yeah, more is less.
Yeah. Yeah, so for this meal, like we used fish, we fried it, we fried prawns afterwards in a little bit of olive oil.
Oh, but you were by yourself, don't say me.
You were there in spirit. You were there in spirit.
Yeah. That's good.
So in a little bit of olive oil and garlic, just fry fish, fry prawns, put on the side and start working on your rice. For the rice, what's important is you cook it for like 15 minutes. You add little by little.
What's the name of the rice again?
Arborio. Yeah, that's the proper rice for risotto.
For risotto, okay.
Yeah. And then you add little by little fish stock. You let the rice absorb it. Then you add a little more until it's nice, huh?
Yeah, look at that, guys. Look how beautiful it looks.
Yeah.
Like, oh,
Yeah.
when I went to the table, I was like, ooh.
We ate the whole pan, like we couldn't breathe afterwards. We decided like we're gonna watch a movie, we were sleeping like 15 minutes afterwards in the couch.
Subscribe, like, and comment.
Bye guys.